So yesterday, I posting in Facebook, so-called big names should take a break from music because Kidi wear Ming again, and tell me if I'm lying. You see, the problem is, the only thing that is killing your music is you're taking music as like it's a competition. Like you're taking music PM, like who should release first, who has released more, who has hit songs, who has, and I want to be much more aware. Maybe just do good music, release it for those who want to hear, and they hear. If they don't want to hear, they don't want to hear. That's somebody's choice. We end up making good music. In the end, where we chill. They make good music. You look at Akisa. Akisa has very good music. Where we chill. Not because she's new. Look at Ricky Bad. Releasing Wake Chill. But all the songs are good. I listened to this guy. Last time I was in Keken, there was a guy called Clex B. I've never heard about him before, but I heard his music. He was performing right behind me. He kept going during the lower night at Gates Bar. And this nigga has good music. Listen to Doggy Fresh. Doggy Fresh releases Wakey Chill, but this is beautiful music. So many other people might are doing good music. And want to take a releasing way chabit. They take a wear me joking to way take pano, where take a pano. What's a quan? I'm particularly causing violence, but I'm telling the truth. Let us try to improve the quality of music instead of releasing under releasing. There was a time around like 2 months ago, the way Maroma went a beach. They were releasing songs after songs. This one fails, they release another one. This one fails, they release another one. Take it slow. Way back, go slow. I have over 1,000 recorded songs, but you probably know less than 100. You might know even less than 50 songs of mine, but I have over 1,000 recorded songs. See, when you join the marketing committee, in be way, am I not singing? Join the way, lunya. Anya come and you look like Nidanya come the way more by the thing is, Wagiru releasing way Melar Jawa. Wagiru releasing way ni Anadit, ni Anango. There's nothing like big names in Northern Uganda by the only big names I'm telling you, the only big names I know, Bosmic, Twangwell, Tamnofi, Ball Simple Man, Angagri. Those are the big names I know, yeah. Oh, more big names, per one. Big names. Any low. Addictive luck, bye.